Hey birdies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Camera Reaction. Hi guys, how you guys doing? So I'm back again guys with another reaction video to the group RBD, and this is a song, I don't think I've ever reacted to this one actually. This is a song, I Wanna Be the Rain live, and I think it appears to be Christian that's going to solo mostly for this one and have the guys and the girls in the background as the backup singer. Come on with the live bands. Yes, give my little guitar play. Yeah, I know I live for this guitar play. I live. Ooh, he looks so good. Give him. You know what? This reminds me that I need to rewatch Buffy the Vampire Slayer. He looks like Spike. Spike.
It's not enough for me to be around you. It's not enough to be the one you're close to. I want to be so much more. The love that you're living from, the air you breathe. I want to be everything that touches you.
This is a very beautiful song. I want to be the rain. Be the rain. Oh, I wanna be the one to be the rain. Oh, sun, it's on you. Okay, sun that shines on you. Okay. I wanna be the rain. Oh. I guess I don't know the lyric as I thought. I wanna be the rain. Come on, Christian. This is your song. This is your moment.
It's not enough for me to be around you. I wanna be everything that surrounds you.
Hey. So like it happened in Brazil. You know, because Brazil they love everybody over there, and they show up and support. His arms beating those drums. I wanna be the rain that falls on you. Wash away the wind. Be the sun that shines on you. I wanna be the sky that holds the stars for you. I wanna be the wind that kisses your face. I wanna be the rain. I love the chorus of this song. Ooh, Brazil. Knew it. I wanna be the only thing you see. Okay. Come on, Dulce. Push through, bitch. I wanna be the rain that falls from you. I wanna be the sun that shines for you. I wanna be the sky. I wanna be the wind that kisses your face. I wanna be the. I see you, Chris. Wash away the pain. Come on, Dulce. Oh, that was Anna. Okay. I want to be the rain. Yeah. I wanna be the rain. Thank you so much for that, RBD. I Want to Be the Rain. That was a very beautiful song. I really do love the chorus. That's so cute. And it was in English too. I will be adding that song to my playlist. I want to be the rain that falls from you. I want to be the sun that shines on you. I want to be the sky searching for you. That was beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I still can't wait for the new project or whatever they're going to release soon. Hopefully they have a concert in my area that I will be happy to attend. But as always, RBD fans out there, thank you guys so much for putting me on. Thank you guys so much for coming back, liking, subscribing, and giving me a recommendation what to react to. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, guys, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Bye.